Nana and Madhav couldn't agree on what the moon was made of. It's an egg laid by an alien, said Nana. It's a ball made of cheese, said Madhav. So they decided to find out. But we better get back in time for dinner, Madhav said. We don't want to find out what ice anger is made of. It took them exactly 11 minutes to get lost. Where has the moon? They asked a glowing unicorn for directions. How come you're so shiny? What are you made of? Do you know what the moon is made of? The unicorn didn't have time for their questions. Chomp, siarang, gulp. If I stop eating, I'll never turn into a gorgeous rhinoceros, she said. Before Nana and Madhav could say anything else, they heard loud sobs in the distance. WAHAIYE. Woe is me. The new voice wailed. Will I be trapped in here forever? Stop moaning, growled another voice. It sounds like somebody needs a help, said Nana. We can be heroes of the sky, said Madhav. Look out for the swan, warned the unicorn, before going back to her food. Nana and Madhav found a surprising sight. An angry queen was guarding a locked tower. A weaponed dragon peeked through the window. Why have you kidnapped a dragon? Nana asked the queen. Because he is a no good thief. The queen snapped. He stole my hair while I was sleeping and now he won't give it back. I can't get it back. The dragon cried. It's too dangerous. Nana's eyes lit up. Where there's danger, there's adventure. And every adventure needs a brave hero, said Madhav. Heroes, you mean? Said Nana. We will rescue your hair. The dragon agreed to tell them where the hair was. But he refused to go near it. A giant fire-breathing dragon is afraid of a harmless swan. Nana shook her head. The swan probably doesn't even know that the hair is stolen, Madhav replied. We should just ask him to return it, Nana suggested. Things did not go according to plan. Hiss, snort, flap. The swan spread his wings and attacked the spaceship. Then he chased them across the sky. By the time they escaped the swan, Madhav and Nana's stomachs were growling with hunger. They looked at the clock in the sky and gasped. We're late, Madhav said. They roared the engine of their spaceship. VORRR. VORRR. The engine sputtered and came to a halt. VWOM. PSSSSH. The siblings panicked. We're stuck. How do we get back home? I will be so angry. I'm so hungry. They turned to the stars for help. The two children climbed aboard an arrow. The centaur took careful aim and shot them right to their front door. Meet the stuck creatures. 1. Monoceros the unicorn. 2. Draco the dragon. 3. Cassiopeia the queen. 4. Cygnus the swan. 5. Berenices, hair the queens. Hair. 6. Horologium the clock. 7. Pegasus the flying horse. 8. Hercules the strong man. 9. Sagittarius the centaur.